Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Mr. P. I actually noticed something, guys. I actually noticed something that many of us were actually complaining that Mr. P is always not available to answer us and send us what we are requesting, VIP, or what I calling it, as regards getting free robots and indicators, or probably joining any VIP program like account management, or like getting VIP signals or things like that. But most especially getting free products, like what they call it, like free robots and indicators and the rest. I notice many of us send me screenshots, but sometimes replying to everyone isn't just very easy like that. Okay, so isn't just very easy. So sometimes they take days for me to reply to some people, so sometimes a week, and that stuff is actually stressful for some of us. Yes, because we actually want Mr. P to reply instantly. Okay, so guys, so this is how it goes now. That's why I actually spent my time to make sure that this what I call it, so that this is possible. MrPFX.com. Now guys, with MrPFX.com, every problem is resolved. It's meant to resolve all this problem in such a way that, number one, you don't have to send me any screenshot or anything that what I calling it, that I need the stuff. You just need to simply go and download it from the website, just like that, by yourself. You don't need to go through anyone. You don't need to send any member in the group any message. You just need to go simply to MrPFX.com to just download it. But guys, listen very well to see how this stuff actually works. Now, MrPFX.com was created specifically for team members, those who are already subscribers of the Mr. PFX platform on YouTube. Yeah, it was created specifically for them. So if what they calling it, so if you are not a subscriber, you can just simply subscribe to just be a part of this team, guys. Now, this is how it goes, guys. Now, first of all, I'm going to be explaining how you can get all the free robots and indicators just like that for life. Just like that. You just need to come and always download anything you want just like that. They are completely free. Okay, now, so you just need to go to MrPFX.com. Now, after going to MrPFX.com, you should see something like this pop up. Okay, now it should actually show you this particular page. Okay, good. Now you just need to go to services. Okay, you just need to go to services. Now you see where it's written free resources, VIP resources, and VIP product. So if you want what they call the free resources there, which are the free robots and indicators, you just simply need to click on it. Okay, so after clicking on what they calling it, after clicking on your free resources, okay, now it should actually simply lead you to a page, right? It should actually simply lead you to a page. Remember, I told you something, guys, that MrPFX.com platform was created specifically for team members. Okay, so all you need to do, guys, is this. You can see trading robots are a great way to automate your trading experience and increase your overall profit potential. You can see that here. Now, all you just need to do, guys, in short, I don't want this video to be so long. No, you just need to come here and what I calling it, and create a username. You have to register for free resources since it's your first time of visiting this page. Okay, since it's your first time, you just need to what I calling it, choose a username for yourself, fill in your correct email address here, right? Then placing your password, then confirm password. After that, guys, you just need to come here and upload a screenshot. Okay, now the screenshot you are uploading here should be a screenshot showing that you are a team member. That's you are a subscriber of the Mr. PFX what I call it, Mr. PFX platform on YouTube. You're a subscriber of Mr. PFX channel, okay, YouTube channel. Now that's just all you need to do, guys. You just need to come here and upload your screenshot showing that you're a subscriber, you're part of the team. We don't want those that are not part of the team. Yeah, we don't want them. We only want those that are part of the team, those that actually want to grow rapidly when it comes to when it comes to trading. Those are the people we want here. So we are just trying to place all those people here. That's what this website was created for. So you just need to come here and upload your screenshot. Okay, now immediately as you click on upload screenshot, it should actually show you a way to upload your stuff. So you just need to click on that place, and what I calling it, And what they're calling it, immediately as you click on that place, it should actually lead you to what they're calling it, to where you can just look for your screenshots and just upload it. Okay, now after uploading your screenshots, good, you click on register. Okay, you click on register, then it should register. Now you just need to wait for a few minutes to a few hours to be approved. Remember guys, when you are approved, it's a lifetime stuff. Okay, when you are approved, it's a lifetime stuff. Immediately as you are approved, that's it. You don't ever have to send screenshots anymore. Okay, you know, when new videos drop, you tend to send screenshots all the time. With this, you don't ever have to send screenshot repeatedly. You just need to send once showing that you're a team member, and after that, that's it guys. After that, that's it. You don't ever have to send any screenshot again. Okay, so you just be approved. The the approval is done manually, so you just need to wait for a few minutes to a few hours and you are approved. When you are approved, you should actually receive an email telling you that you are approved. Okay, so after that, you just need to go to login. You click on login. After you have been approved, you just need to click on login. Now after clicking on login, after clicking on login, you just it should just pop out a page where you can actually fill in your username or your email. After that, you fill in your after that you fill in your password. Now after doing that, you should just actually notice that you should just actually notice that that you are signed in. Okay, you just actually notice that that you are signed in, just like that. So you just need to fill everything here, and you have access to every single resource. You have access to every single resource, just like that guys, just like that. So just like, okay guys, so for security reasons, I had to pause this video first to log in. Okay, I had to pause this video first to log in. Okay, for security reasons, so I don't reveal some certain steps, but then you just need to register. After that, you log in using your login details. Okay, now after logging in, you should actually see all the steps here, right? You should actually see all the steps here. You should see all the free resources here that you can easily just download. You just click and download, right? Now you should notice that you're having just 6 previews here, just 6. Now every other thing that you want, you can just actually search them out. Okay, for example, let me just say I want the recent boom and crash ultimate scalping machine auto robot. I can just simply click on this place, just like that. I don't have to send a screenshot to anyone. I can just simply click on it, and it will pop up like this. Okay, it will pop up like this. So I just click on download, and that's it. I just simply need to click on download, and I will notice that it starts downloading instantly, right? It starts downloading instantly, just like that. So you can see it's done downloading. It's done. I just need to open it, Mr PFX boom and crash scalping machine, just like that. You just need to open the zip file and install it, just like that guys. So that's just it guys. So there's actually nothing here. Okay, so that's just how you do it. Now remember, we're having just six previews here of the free robots and indicators. If you notice, step index robots and other stuffs aren't here. So let me say, for example, I saw step index robots on the internet on my YouTube channel, and I actually want to check it. So I can just simply come here and type step index. Okay, see, it's already popping up. So I just know if I'm looking for milk step index, mixed step index market hand free auto robot, I just simply need to click on it. Okay, I just simply need to click on it, and it will just it will just pop up like that. Okay, it will just pop up like that, just like that, and I just need to click on download, and just like that guys, just like that. So that's how it goes guys. Now see, if you actually want some VIP resources and the rest, you can just simply click on VIP. Yeah, you can get you can actually if you want VIP mentorship, you can actually subscribe for VIP mentorship. If you want VIP signals, you can easily just subscribe for VIP signals here. If you want if you want if you want VIP robots and indicators, you can actually get all of them here. Okay, so for VIP mentorship, you just need to click on get access now, and then follow the normal process, and that's just it guys. Yeah, you can actually get VIP robots, also VIP robots and indicators. So you just need to click on it. You just need to click on VIP robots and indicators. Okay, you just need to click on VIP robots and indicators. So these are the ones showing for the now. More will be refreshed. Okay, more will be refreshed. So you can just easily get a VIP robots and indicators from here. You can just see them. You can get VIP robots and indicators because we are launching launching, so they are actually they are actually still on the low rates currently. VIP robots, these are the VIP robots there. So you can just actually go back and just go check out VIP indicators also. VIP indicators also, if you want, you can just check out VIP indicators also. The difference between these stuffs is that VIP products are actually extremely accurate. Okay, so we're actually having some stuffs here. These will be updated and more will be here also, just for a start. So these are just here before the week runs out. Other VIP stuffs will be updated. Yeah, they are still updating, but these are the ones available for the now there. And that's just it, guys. That's just it. So you just go back and then you can actually check out other VIP stuff, other VIP other VIP stuffs. Like you can go down, you see VIP signals here. You just need to click on VIP signals and just choose a choose a product that you just choose a VIP plan that you want, VIP signal plan that you want, just like that, guys, just like that, and you are part of the plan, just like that. So you can see you just need to place your if you want currency pairs or indices, you just place it. Then you choose the plan. If you want 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month or 3 or 6 months, you just choose them. Make sure you write your Telegram username here, guys. Make sure you write your Telegram username here, guys. That's the best way that we can actually get, that I can actually get in contact with you. If you're placing your Telegram username here, it will be so easy to get in contact with you if you place your Telegram username there. Okay, so that's just how it goes, guys. That's just how it goes. So there are other resources, more resources that are here under the VIP. So you just need to go down, just keep going down. So Mr PFX Project 100 is actually currently paused. Right, the next batch will be launching out in a few weeks time. Okay, so currently it's unaccessible. If you click on it, you notice it's not accessible currently. So when it's launched, you will see that it will display here, and I also post about that in the Telegram group there. Okay, so remember, the Telegram group is just the link to Telegram group is just down below. Okay, it's just down below, or yeah, just like that. So you can see account management there. If you want account management, it's very easy. You can see the profit targets and all here. Okay, so you can just go through them just like that. Okay, so you can just join account management if you want and just subscribe to that. You can see Mr PFX Copier also. Now you can Mr PFX Copier was launched recently, where you just need to subscribe to you just need to pay 200 USD to connect your accounts to my master account. Here I'll be trading, and all my trades will be copying directly into your account. Okay, we'll be copying directly into your account for 15 days straight, and after the 15 days you have to renew the plan again. So that's for the Mr PFX Copier. You don't share profit. Every profit that comes along, you've paid your 200 USD and you've connected, just like that. You have access you have access just like that for the next 15 days, and after the 15 days you just need to renew that. So that's just it, guys. So that's just how it goes. So you can actually buy any of these products and things like that. Remember, you can always if you go back to the to the home stuff there, you can actually see all the latest news and things like that. You can actually see all the latest updates, things that are coming up, things that you actually would want to know about, things like that. So everything, they are all here under the home page. Everything, they are all here, and you can easily swap between any stuff you want around the spot, so you can see them. Okay, so that's just it. If you want to learn some stuff about trading and things like that, just like that. I remember the mentorship. I have free mentorship here also. Under free resources. I have free mentorship here also, that you can actually just use to brush yourself up. That you can actually just use to brush yourself up, just like that. Okay, but then if you go to your home, you can actually visit the channel, the Telegram group, just like that, directly from this spot, guys. You just need to scroll down. You can just simply scroll down, and then you can see it. If you click on this Telegram here, you notice it will link you straight to my Telegram group. Okay, straight to my Telegram group. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you can actually follow me on Instagram using this particular stuff here straight. And if you actually want to go straight to the YouTube channel, you can actually just click on this spot straight to the YouTube channel. If you're having any issues at all, you can message me directly on Telegram, or you can message me straight from the contact spot here under the support. So those within the support team should actually respond to you, or I should actually respond to you personally, just like that. I should respond to you personally, just like that. So you just need to go and fill in, just make sure you fill in the correct details when you actually want to contact, when you actually want to make some inquiries, or maybe you're having issues purchasing some products, or your account is having issues accessing the free robot and indicators that are always available. If you're having any issues like that, you can just simply fill in your details here and just send it to Waterclinic, and just send it. You'll be replied within a few minutes to a few hours, just like that, guys. Just like that. Just like that. So that's how it goes, guys. You all know I don't like my video being too long and things like that, guys. So that's just how it goes, guys. If you have any more questions, you can drop them on the comment button there. You can just drop them on the comment section there, or you can actually send a message using the support here under the contact here, or you can actually send me a message directly on Telegram. Remember, the Telegram link is just on my channel, YouTube channel, down below on the description there. You can also click the YouTube or the Telegram link to join the group, guys, to join the group. So that's just how it goes, guys. The link to this this website, MrPFX.com, will also be in the Telegram group. Will also be in the Telegram group, guys. So that's just how it goes. First information will always be in the Telegram group, and then you see it on the website. So if you want first-hand information, make sure you work with the Telegram group. That's where everything that will come into this website will actually be on the Telegram group first. So if you're in the Telegram group, you will always be ahead. You always be ahead. You know these things before others know. You always be ahead. So, and you know, you can get every free resources just like that. You just need to upload a screenshot showing that you have subscribed under the free resources section there, and you gain access for life. Access for life, just like that, guys. It's a buy for me, guys. So all you just need to do, remember to subscribe to this channel. If you are new, remember to subscribe to this channel, guys. It's a buy for me, guys. I am Mr. P, guys. Peace.